Julie here from One Fresh Meal. And you know what today is, right? It's the 30th of December. We've got 2 more days until the new year. And I'm here at the farmer's market. You can see it's a bustling farmer's market today. I imagine a lot of these people are thinking they're going to start the new year eating healthy. And a great place to get healthy or to start thinking about healthy eating is at the farmer's market. And here you can see JR Organics booth. They're the only certified organic produce booth here at the Little Italy Farmers Market, and I purchase from them a lot. You can see a lot of their produce. They've already sold out of a lot. But anyway, so you want to get healthy this year? I am here to help you. You can forget the diets. You don't need a diet. The best way to get healthy is more fresh food. So I recommend going to the farmer's market. If you have a farmer's market, if you don't have a farmer's market where you live, go to the supermarket and buy fresh food and prepare it. And I'm going to do a 21-day challenge of fresh, simple food. Just look on Facebook at One Fresh Meal, and you will find all the details there. And here again, we're going to look at all the produce. I'm going to put out another challenge. Just if you have a family, if you have kids, or you live with your parents, or you just live with your spouse or your significant other, I'm going to challenge you to cook together as a family, as friends, as community. If you don't live with anyone, invite someone to come over and cook with you at least once a week, because that is another way to keep you healthy. You have someone to do it with you. I think that's it for now, and I will be back again tomorrow with some more information about the challenge. But my challenge to you today is either get to the supermarket and buy some fresh vegetables, or go to your farmer's market if you have one. I know I'm lucky. I live in San Diego. Look at this weather. It's like 80 degrees out here today. But get out there and buy fresh food, fresh produce. And local if possible. If it's not local, just buy fresh. Anyway, I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.